Hey there, welcome to our quick comparison of Bitwarden and LastPass, two popular password managers in 2025. Let's break them down and see which one's right for you. First up, Bitwarden. It's a free open source password manager, meaning anyone can check its code for safety. It stores your password securely, autofills logins, and works on all your devices, phones, computers, and browsers. The free plan gives you unlimited password storage and syncing across devices. Plus, it's super affordable. The premium plan is just $10 a year, adding extra features like advanced two-factor authentication and secure file sharing. Now, LastPass. It's a well-known user-friendly option that also stores and autofills your passwords. The free plan is solid, but limits you to syncing on one type of device, either computers or mobiles, not both. LastPass shines with its easy setup and handy features like a password generator and secure notes. The premium plan costs $36 a year and includes syncing across all devices, dark web monitoring, and emergency access for trusted contacts. So how do they compare? Ease of use. LastPass feels a bit smoother for beginners with a simple, clean design. Bitwarden's easy too, but might take a little more setup for some features. Price. Bitwarden's premium at $10 a year is a steal compared to LastPass's $36. Which one's better? If you want a free, secure, and budget-friendly option that works everywhere, Bitwarden is your pick. If you like a polished, easy experience and don't mind paying more, LastPass is great. Your choice depends on your needs. Security and saving with Bitwarden, or convenience and extra features with LastPass. Stay safe online and pick the one that fits you best. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.